Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how you can download and install free Download Manager, which is the best alternative of Internet Download Manager. AB Download Manager is basically a desktop app which lets you manage and organize your download files in a better way. To download, firstly go to the Google and type GitHub AB Download Manager. Now open first link. Here, you will find the latest release of this software, click on that. Now scroll down and find exe file of the latest version. After downloading the file, open it and install the setup file. After installing the file, open it. Now go to its settings and you can change the theme into dark or light, whatever you want. You can also change other settings like startup of this software on Windows boot, threads as you want. Maximum you can only increase threads up to 32 for better performance. Now let's install the browser extension to automatically capture links from web browser. Simply go to the browser integration and select your browser. Currently it's only available for Chrome, Microsoft Edge and Firefox browsers. Here click on Get Extension. Before continue, make sure both of these options area enabled. Let's download a file. I will download Windows ISO image file. It will automatically pick the file. This is a completely free and open source software. You can set a limit on your download speeds to prevent others from experiencing a poor connection. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below.